looks like we got a fresh egg, perfect for making tempera paint, one of the oldest and most durable paints in art history. I am Veronica Blanco, a senior at Salem College, Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare an egg to make an ancient medium right here in our own lab and studio. Tempera has been used for centuries by many artists such as Botticelli, Michelangelo, Rembrandt, but to get started we need to extract the yolk from this egg. So let's get cracking, literally. First, gently crack your egg and then carefully try to separate the yolk from the white. The egg white is not needed for this project, but maybe I can save it for breakfast. Now, we need to get rid of this thin membrane that surrounds the yolk. It is very important as it will keep your paint smooth and free from clumps. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to flip it from one side, hand to the other, and as I pass it, I will clean my hand. Just a few times. We need to achieve like a consistency where we can grab the yolk with 2 fingers or 3 and just pinch it and we'll get the best of it. The greatest thing of all is that we won't have any smell. Oops. We saved the greatest part. To make your pigment, you will mix the yolk with your chosen pigment, whether it is ochre, ultramarine, or something else magical from history. I always use natural pigments for my paintings, but you can experiment with anything you like. Mix it in slowly until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. So I tend to use as much egg yolk as pigment. And with a knife, you start mixing it. A little bit of water would be good. And I think the muller will help to bind all the stuff together. Look, what a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. It feels smooth. It's creamy. And it's ready to use it and store it also in a little container. Let's try it. have it. Egg tempera, ready to be used on wood panels, canvas, or wherever your creativity takes you. It's a paint with a rich history, and now you are a part of that tradition. Thank you for watching. See you next time.